Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from an image in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to remove background from the image, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now select the photo option. Now choose a photo that you want to remove background from. Here, to remove the background from this photo, scroll on the bottom menu and select the cutout option. Now here we can also erase unwanted part from our photo, like here, and once happy, click here again, and just like this we can remove background from our image in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.